took this trade in the A period. You can see how I'm looking at that low volume node after we swept that POC that's on the left. I just wanted to see us get back into that low volume node and kind of test it, make sure we weren't going to push right through there. And then I was watching, once I get in the trade, I'm watching to see if we can get under that overnight high, which is the highlighted yellow orange line that I have there. So right in here, I put in my first contract. That's kind of what I was looking for. And then I thought, we shouldn't really go over that POC. So I was waiting to see if we got up there. I enter in the second one as soon as we do. Right in there. And then, obviously I didn't want to see it extend any higher than that. And I was kind of using that POC as the point where, if we pushed right through there, I wouldn't want to be in it anymore. So like I said, here I'm looking to see if we get back under that overnight high, which is right there at the 27 ticks. And then I decided that I should probably front run that just a little bit, at least take the first one off. Because we are kind of, I understand this is kind of an against the trend, the overall trend trade. So I'm being more cautious with my targets and more cautious with my stops. So even here, I'm watching how it's dipping down into that node and almost getting to that halfback. If we were to hit that halfback and bounce right out of there, I would just close the trade and move on. And then for my second target, I was, I thought if we did break that overnight high, I'd be out of this before the, basically where the target is, right before the open, which is that orange dash line there. There, I take the first one, front running that overnight high. You can kind of already tell here, or I felt like it wasn't, this is sped up 3 times what it normally was, but I could kind of tell that it wasn't letting go the way I wanted it to, so I was looking for another spot to take this second one. And it does get down under that overnight high, but it doesn't have any momentum or enthusiasm to it. So I go ahead and take it once we get down here. I thought that would kind of be the breaking point if it would have flushed right through there. And like I said, I'd be out of this by the time we got to the, basically where the order's at now, or the top of that node. But it does grind around here a little bit. And we just couldn't pick up any steam to the downside. And then you had lots of opportunities going to the upside later on after this. So that was about 25 on the first one. And I think I got about 26 on this one right there.